Thank you for being here. I had a very memorable and indeed a great experience with the group captain Garg having taken me around in SU30 MKI, which is a made in India fighter. For all the preparations, it was a very smooth ride. The group captain has made me feel absolutely at ease, but showed his excellence in flying. He crossed 1 Mach, also crossed 8,000 meters. So in a way, higher than Mount Everest, and crossed the speed of sound. So it just shows what excellence our fighter pilots have had in their training. It was a great experience. It was an eye-opener in terms of the preparation, and also to see what level of alertness will have to be exhibited by our pilots. I'm indeed very proud and very thankful that I've gone through this experience, because it actually tells me what rigor in practice and what level of readiness and how quickly they have to respond to situations. I'm very grateful to all of you. It was a very eye-opening and memorable experience. So thank you. आप लोग भी अभी तक इधर ही इंतज़ार करके इस माहौल में पूरे ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस का, मेरा अनुभव का आप देख रहे थे। मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाह रही हूँ कि हमारे पायलट्स के पूरे तैयारी और उनके रिस्पॉन्स करने का स्पीड और उनके ट्रेनिंग का एक्सेलेंस पूरे आज मैं महसूस करके अभी इस फ्लाइट के बाद आपके सामने खड़े हूँ। पूरे हमारी एयरफोर्स का प्रिपेयर्डनेस के ऊपर मैं और क्या बोल सकती हूँ। वैसे हमारी एयरफोर्स दुनिया में एक अच्छा सा शानदार एयरफोर्स, इसका आज मैं पूरे अनुभव की।